we have produced 250 internationals in the last 10 years for all age groups, which is more than the total of every other club and academy in India put together on one side. सारों को इकट्ठा कर लो एक side पे. We have still produced more. And I'm saying it openly and I keep saying it. So somebody should come and say it out me. And am I a genius? No. Am I wrong? Why? It's the simplest thing to do. You make them play morning, night at the young age. They will become footballers. Football is the easiest game in the world to teach because you don't need money. African countries are doing it. Na? They don't have any money. Genes, we've proven our genes. So तुम genes की क्या बात करते हो? जब हम भूखे नंगे थे ना, that means 50s, 60s, 70s. The only medals we used to get was in boxing or in wrestling or in weightlifting. और कोई medal नहीं आते थे हमारे. तो तुम कौन से जीन्स की बात कर रहे हो? नहीं, हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है. अब तो पैसे भी आ गए हैं. पॉपुलेशन काफी नहीं खेलती. सो केप वर्ड और कुरासाओ और आइसलैंड एक ही पॉपुलेशन है.
Curaçao is 150,000 people, small island.
So if we bro
and they are playing in World Cup
bro,
this year.
दिवाली के मेले पे ज्यादा होते हैं हमारे. I'm not, so imagine. So it's got nothing to do with the amount of people playing. These are all excuses. This is all just trying to show people why they are so shit. Now they've got this new great idea. Let's get OCIs and PIOs. So basically you've said, वही बात कि वो बंदा एक बंदा यहाँ से बाहर जाके ऐसी कंट्री में चले जाए, न्यूजीलैंड जहाँ पे क्रिकेट, जहाँ पे फुटबॉल है ही नहीं. It's like the 4th or 5th game in a small country. वो वहां से जाके वो भी साला वर्ल्ड कप पहुंच जाता है इंडियन. ठीक है ना? वो तुम उनको उसको लाने के लिए तैयार हो, but you got millions. That means you've given up. What is your point then? What is the point of having a federation if you're still going to go and take other federations produce players? And they're not produced by you. They may be your coon, but they're not produced by you. So what are you going and telling the Indians who are here? That we've given up? That you are not good enough? We're telling our own Indians. So is that a long-term solution? कि बाहर से ले आओ? Come on, man. If they want to play for India, tell them to give up their passports. This thing about having dual passports and allowing them permission is not right. You better bleed blue. When you're playing for your national team, तुम्हारे को मरने, I'm not kidding when I say this, तुम्हारे को मरने के लिए थे. See, I'm from when the armed forces background is there, na, for me, there is nothing known as second place. Second place in the armed forces, war में second place का मतलब क्या? You're dead. There is nothing known as second place. Second place, last place, same. And you have to just hate it so much. Like, I have a son who's 2.5. The day he beats me in anything, I will be the saddest man in my life, not the proudest. The day I lose to my dad who's 80, I will be devastated. I don't care. If you're on the field, I'll beat your ass and I'll boil your children and eat them alive. I don't care because that's what it is. You are on the field. You cannot be soft. Indians ka from the very beginning, their attitude has been too soft. Atiti Deva Bhav jo hamara hai. See, as long as you're off the field, I'm saying my kid and my dad, off the field and they are my love, man. On the field, किसी का love नहीं है, तुम आओ तो सही. It is a habit you call. So we Indians, these Goras have come here from these academies. Who are the Indian cricketers who are going abroad and playing for other national teams? The ones who don't even make the districts here. I'm not kidding. The boys who don't make my club side, Minerva's club side, are national team captains of other countries. So who do you think are the footballing coaches who come here? Or the players who come here? कौन होते हैं वो? Exactly. Can't you get it? How are you going to become, we should play with better players, that's why. No, better players. If that was the criteria, then everyone in the Spanish league would be Messi because Messi's been playing in the Spanish league for 20 years, man. You don't improve at that age.